Hey guys! Today's video is about ways into your guinea pig's heart, or how to befriend your guinea pigs. The first tip is obviously food. You probably guessed this one. Guinea pigs love to eat and they love those who bring them food. They get easily excited and often forget their fear when food is involved. Try to hand feed your guinea pigs as often as possible to bond with them. They will soon recognize your footsteps and will get very excited when they hear them. Let your guinea pigs explore. In nature, they spend lots of time exploring and looking for food. Of course, our guinea pigs don't need to look for food anymore as it magically appears in front of their faces, but they love to explore new surroundings. You don't even need a huge variety of hiding spots to provide your guinea pigs with an exciting environment. Simply rearrange their cage setup, move a hiding spot, or place their veggies in a different corner. You will soon have an excited group of guinea pigs who need to explore everything in their cage. Talk to them. Sit next to their cage and tell them about your day. Guinea pigs love background noise. They don't like sudden movements or noises. Sitting next to their cage and talking to them provides them with a nice background noise, which is non-threatening. Once they've gotten used to your voice, they might even move close to you and rest. Play guinea pig appropriate games with them. Guinea pigs aren't like dogs or cats, and they often ignore toys you can buy in the pet shop. That doesn't mean that they don't like to play though. Guinea pigs enjoy playing games which involve food and exploring, or moving things around, or pushing things with their nose, or sniffing something new and exciting. They also like to play with their owner, especially if you can turn yourself into a giant piece of lettuce. To do this, place lettuce in your lap and let your guinea pigs crawl all over you. Some guinea pigs are shy and need time before they do this, while others will quickly jump on your lap and demand even more lettuce. Have at least 2 guinea pigs. If you only have one, the best way into your guinea pig's heart is to get a friend for your piggy. Exploring is so much more fun with a partner, and guinea pigs come up with the weirdest ideas when they feel the security of a herd. These were a few tips. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you guys next time. Bye!